Hi, welcome. My name is Carol, and today I'm going to show you how to add measurements on the Infraspeak platform. So, if we head on over to our Settings tab, going over to the Maintenance section and click on Settings. Once we are here, we're going to select the type of equipment that we want to add measurements to. So, I'm going to choose our air conditioner units. I'm going to click on Edit. And now that I'm in the category details, I have a measurements tab up here. So I'm going to click on that. And here you can see all of the existing measurements on this equipment already. So in order to add a new equipment, all you have to do is click on Add New Measurement. And you'll have this new window that's going to pop up, which you can then choose what type of measurement you're adding in. And it could be anything from a multiple choice, an audit, a text field, cumulative, or a value range. So I'm going to add a text field and I'm going to make that a 01.7 number of filters. Once I'm done completing that bit, all I have to do is click on add, and that has now been added into my measurements list. After you have added the measurements, you can now go and link these to your tasks. So all you have to do is head on over to the Tasks and Interventions tab, and you can select the task that you want to link your measurements to. So I'm going to choose this one. And if you come here, you have your list of measurements all here. And all you have to do to link these measurements to your task is tick on the measurements that you want to link. So I'm going to choose a few here. And now once I'm done, all I have to do is click on Edit Maintenance Task. And now the 4 measurements I selected have been added into my task. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. Bye.